is breaking news here first at 4. Thanks for joining us. I'm John Carter.
And I'm Siobhan Bryan. A fire at an aluminum manufacturing facility in Salisbury. We have it mapped out for you here. Dozens of firefighters answered the call about a fire this afternoon at Grange's North America off Jake Alexander Boulevard near I-85. WBTV's David Wisnett has details from the scene.
Firefighters got the call about this fire at Grange's North America around 12:30 this afternoon. Within minutes, fire companies from across the county and even Kannapolis had arrived here on Jake Alexander Boulevard. Heavy white smoke pushed out from the roof of the large facility. A number of firefighters went up top to put out this fire. Firefighters stayed on the scene for hours after bringing the fire under control. Employees evacuated the plant while firefighters were on the scene. Grange's describes itself as a supplier of rolled aluminum materials. There have been fires here before, including one in 2019 that happened after officials say a furnace exploded. The cause of today's fire has not been released. There was one minor injury, fire officials say, to a worker who may have suffered from smoke exposure. Reporting in Salisbury, David Wisnett, WBTV, on your side.